Aloha, Adele Brienne. Happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in again. We're back with another week where I'm going to give you some business tips or some resources to help you run your business. This week we are back to opportunity. And today I want to let you know that I have a strategic business website planner that's available. It's $7. It's about the cost of two expensive coffees if you're into those frou-frou coffees like I am. If you like all that extra stuff at your Starbucks. So for $7, you can get the strategic website planner. It's designed for business owners. I've taken everything I know from 24 years as a website designer, hosting expert, marketing expert. Basically, I've been doing website for 24 years. I've taken all that stuff that I know and I jam-packed it into this strategic planner I'm going to share with you. And that's what the cover looks like. So if you're looking for it, it looks like that. And then inside you're going to find tons of fillable prompts as well as strategies and tips and tricks. I go over a lot of different stuff. It's a really great starting point if you've never built a website. It's also a great refresher if you've already had a website up that you need to kind of take a look at and see, is there any holes? Is there anything that's falling short? Or is any pages where we don't have our calls to action or where anything's unclear for the customer when they land? So I'm super excited about this. It took longer than I expected, and I'm super proud of it. I am really pleased with this. I think it's going to be really helpful for business owners. And if you don't want to spend the $7, no worries. It's totally fine. You can also get my free website checklist at my website as well. So just start there if you want to get just jam-packed checklist full of basic starting point as well. The planner is a lot more thorough, and I think the planner will help you actually write your copy for your website. So it's really designed to help you basically think about who you are, who your customers are, and create that messaging for them on your website. Because that's what's really most important between your images telling your story and then your words really connecting to your customers emotionally, talking a little bit about the problems that you can solve for them, talking a little bit about some things they've already tried that haven't worked, and then really leading them to this idea that you are the solution. You are the one to help them. So it's pretty groovy. I'm really proud. Check it out at my website, amazingandhelpful.com. And if you have any questions about website hosting, SEO, marketing, blogging, email marketing, social media, any of that stuff, please contact me. I love helping business owners, and I'm here to help. It's Adele Brienne with amazingandhelpful.com, and I'll see you next week. Aloha.